Hi guys, it's Rich here from ITS, and today we want to talk to you a little bit about Makita's CXT 12 volt range of cordless power tools. So what's the deal with 12 volt tools? Well, in essence, they're smaller, lighter, more compact than their 18 volt equivalents. So if you think about all those times when you're on the job site and you need a nice, versatile, powerful trade standard tool, but you really don't want one of them big, bulky, heavy duty 18 volt tools that's either too big, too heavy, or you're working overhead and you want something that's going to give you much less fatigue on your arms, your wrists, wherever it is you're working. That is where 12 volt tools come in. Get rid of that weight, get rid of that fatigue, and get the right tool for the right job in the right place. So no matter what trade you're in, there are going to be so many situations and circumstances where 12 volt tools are absolutely perfect. For example, electricians, kitchen fitters, bathroom fitters, plumbers, HVAC engineers, they love the portability and being able to get those tools into all those really awkward to reach places. And the CXT range from Makita is actually really impressive in terms of its size. There are 30 different bodies at the moment as things stand, and they're going to be expanding that range as it goes. You've got all the standard tools covered, from your combi drill, impact driver, impact wrench, all of those kind of stuff, SDS drill, circular saw, jigsaw. But they've even got some other tools. So they've got a really nice angle drill. You've got multi-tools, caulking guns, you've got inflators even. And there's a really nice range of lawn and garden out now as well, with pruning saws, hedge trimmers, and shears, things like that. And if you're already running 18 volt, maybe the 18 volt LXT range from Makita, then there's absolutely no reason you can't add a few 12 volt CXT tools to your range. It's all about picking the right tool for the right job. And as someone always says, it's about working smarter, not harder. Remember to like and subscribe, follow us for a few more videos, and check out the Makita Superstore at your home of Makita, that is its.co.uk.